So let's rewrite this so that it's in the form of ax squared plus k. So all we have to do is move the 9.9 to the other side, or the minus 9.9, and we'll get 1.6x squared plus 9.9. And now it's in the form of ax squared plus b, where a is 1.6 and b is 9.9. Then, right, since a is positive, the parabola will open upwards, and the vertex is represented by 0k. Or actually, this has to be k, right? So that means the vertex is at 0 and 9.9. And for the domain and range, of course, the domain of all parabolas will be x is the set of real numbers. As for the range, let's figure out the max and min value first, max or min. Right? Since we have an upward-facing parabola, the y value of the vertex is going to be our minimum value. Okay, so the minimum value is going to be then y is equal to 9.9. So the range, right, is going to be anything that's above this line. So any y value that is greater than or equal to the minimum value of 9.9.